Hello, my friends. It's Andrea here. And do you want to know what happens when Jupiter meets Venus? This is one of the main energies of the week. It is an auspicious week. Happy and prosperous Navratri to everyone. This is a celebration of the divine feminine. So I wish you all the best for your health, success in business and in trading as well. And it's Venus, it's about money, it's about the divine feminine, it's about cryptocurrency and currencies. So we do have an auspicious background, at least mythologically speaking. And without further ado, I would like to talk about the financial markets and about Bitcoin and Ethereum. And with this, I would like to start sharing the screen. So let me see, what do we have this week? As you see, we are considering October 16th, October 22nd, the next week, as a time frame for our forecast. We are still under the energy of the eclipse. I want to remind you that we had a solar eclipse annular, so not total. This happened on the 14th, so Saturday weekend, when we don't have high transaction volume nowadays, as you are aware. And we had positive aspects during the weekend. I saw the 0 something, so still something upwards, but without transaction volume, we will not see much reflected in the price. So usually what happens is that in the next week, this energy will continue, especially in the start, on Monday, Tuesday, especially. And yes, this is valid, and this is an important aspect because we start with the energy of the eclipse and we end the week with the energy of Jupiter and Venus. So stay tuned for that if you want to learn about it, about Bitcoin, Ethereum, and even beyond. Let me tell you something interesting. I think this will interest you. And we have on the 16th still the positive energy around the weekend, but it's not really the best aspect in the Bitcoin chart, where we see a mixed influence, and it's even less for Ethereum, where we have a stronger negative aspect in the natal chart. So the week doesn't start in the best possible way. The 17th has a negative fire. So this is a volatile day. And we will have the volatile aspect in the sky, as outlined here, but this is also confirmed by the Bitcoin chart. It would be most likely early morning hours for the UTC time zone. We might expect a drop, or this can happen also a bit later or a bit earlier even, but nevertheless, it looks very operational, and we see it aligned also for Ethereum and Bitcoin, but we see that for Ethereum it seems to be more serious, let's say. And we do have also a negative influence from the eclipse. Actually, yes, it's not about only positive stuff. Why? Because Ketu, and Ketu was part of the eclipse, the south node of the moon, which is together with the sun currently. We do have together with the sun means that it's a conjunction, and it was quite nearby. And it will be basically traversing the Sun and Mercury on October 18th and 19th. And you see the rainy weather in the sky. It's about astrological oppositions, being exact, which are historically negative. And while we have the BTC chart neutral, we have more, bearishness on Ethereum's level. Be sure to check the description of this video, also the link to my written forecast as well, so that you don't miss anything. And the 20th already looks better. We are happy about that. But it's a volatile day. 20th and 21st, where Uranus aspects very positive fire, as you can see. But we have also a Mars square Pluto on the 21st, which is about law, about regulation. Mars is also about an aggressive attitude and anger, so something that is really of regulatory nature doesn't come across so well. So it could be that this influences the markets negatively, and it will be some recovery. Again, you see many aspects on the day. Each of them will happen at a certain hour. It's not like, that it will happen at the same hour and minute as described by the astrological software, but they have an order, The thing is that we will have these positive influences. So it will start to be positive. On the 20th, we have a positive aspect from Mars in the BTC chart, and we have daily aspects on the 20th and 21st for Ethereum that are really positive, and we have a temporary peak there that is depicted through the fire. Again, Saturday is a weekend, so it's like a crescendo. We have also a Mars trine Saturn in the sky, which is very positive, and this is something that we waited for, because we would like to see that things are really moving, from the bearishness of the previous days. And we have a Jupiter trine Venus finally on the 22nd, which is a big day. And this is depicted through the sun with a bit of cloud. So it's about a global aspect at market level. And this is confirmed, yes, it's a mixed, influence, but nevertheless, it's positive on Sunday, and it appears for both Ethereum and Bitcoin. So at some point in the day, the price will increase. And this is again Sunday, and it's about the weekend. We will see more movement possibly from this astrological influence on Monday, when trading is fully on. We can say that Jupiter influencing Venus is about Jupiter, expansion, luck, and we have Venus, which is currency and cryptocurrency. It's about money. And this is something that we can, hope an increase in the price of this. But also Jupiter is about the law. So it could be that something is at least moving in the right direction on regulatory level. So the hope is in any case not lost. And we will see interesting developments upwards in the next week as well, since this is a longer term aspect actually for the whole month and even beyond in November. Now, I would like to talk to you about this Jupiter-Venus, the other dimension that is not related to cryptocurrency and to financial markets. And it's about relationships and love. It's a very positive aspect for this. So should you have experienced any problems in your relationships, they would be progressively over. And now this will really improve, because we do have this positive aspect from Jupiter, which is longer term for the next month at least, to Venus, which is about relationship negotiations. Also for women, symbolized by Venus, this is an auspicious time when you get more things done, but also you are more convincing. It's also a good time for diplomacy in general in the world, because this might solve some conflicts that already happened, or they come to be smoother, even if they are not really finished. And what I would like to mention is please have a look at my Patreon if you are interested. If you join now or until January 2024, the latest, you will have the opportunity to get a forecast for 2024 for free for both Bitcoin and Ethereum for the gold tier subscription, and for Bitcoin for the silver tier subscription in Patreon. So I hope to see you there. Otherwise, they will be available also, as individual products soon. I will launch them and I will let you know about this. And I hope you will benefit of this. Thank you for liking and subscribing. It helps the channel. And as usually, until next time, be joyful.